Coach, 2 wins in a row, this one being special for Dipendra Singh Airiya. First off, I want to ask, how do you see that moment, one in the history books?
It's a moment of magic, I think. We always know that he can produce such performances. He's capable of literally anything, be it batting, bowling, fielding. He's an outstanding cricketer, one of the best in the world, if you ask me. 6 sixes, I think it's fantastic for him and for the team.
The challenge coming ahead of this ACC Premier Cup, there's one thing, World Cup preparation, and another is getting a place in Asia Cup. So how do you analyze these two matches? Are we satisfied with this performance?
We are never satisfied because it's always a work in progress. We put plans in place, we work very hard in our preparations, and whatever we execute, we go back and analyze, debrief, review, and try to fill up the holes that are there. Try to correct whatever, I won't say mistakes, but areas that we need to do better in. Because in this format, any team is a threat. You can't say some games are easy and some games are tough. Every team is tough. So we have to be literally at our best and clinical in almost every game.
Today's game was a bit more hard because of consecutive games in these conditions. So we have a day gap for every game coming forward. But coming back from India, how did you prepare for these conditions and in Vapi?
So our preparation, I think, was absolutely ideal because we were in Vapi for 10 days. The weather is almost similar. In fact, it was hotter there. So I think we are well prepared for the heat here. The energy, you can see the boys are still out practicing after playing 2 back-to-back games. So the energy is fantastic. That we won the 2 games, of course, helps. But yeah, the energy is great. It's tough to play back-to-back games. We came in late also, so we could not practice the first day. But still, 2 back-to-back games, and the way we have performed, I think it's great.
So we've been playing and training for consecutive regularly for a long time, and we still go back to Nepal and play West Indies.
Yeah.
So how are you balancing that fitness and side of things of giving rest for the players?
So that's one of our priorities. Abdul Sattar, who's our SNC coach, and Vikram, our physio, are the persons who are responsible for this, for the rest and recovery and the training. So we try to balance training, that is fitness training, with skills training. It's not always easy, but as I said, the fitness of the boys is fantastic. Their attitude is fantastic. The energy they bring to the game is fantastic. So it becomes very easy for the coaching team to handle things. It is always a challenge because we have been traveling, we have been playing, we go back and play another series, then we travel again. So it's difficult, but we try to give them as much rest as possible. But again, as I said, this format is demanding and there is only so much time left, so we have to use as much time as we can.
It was Monty's magic that gave us ODI a place in the World Cup, Asia Cup, and we've got new member in the happy dressing room. So the dressing room is slowly growing. How do you see Roddy's
Fantastic. The dressing room only gets happier. Any new member is welcome because he brings a different perspective. So he'll be working mostly with the bowlers, which is great. He has got a wealth of experience. He's played the game, he has coached the game. He knows what it takes, and I think it'll only help us get better. And the more voices in the dressing room, I think it's good for the lead coach also because he gets a lot of inputs and then he can balance things out.
We're playing Hong Kong next, one of the biggest competitors in our group. How do you see that? We played two good games, 2 close games, I must say. Dipendra's innings being the difference today. So how do you see Hong Kong game, having played them last month?
Hong Kong is always a tough opposition. We have played them in the World Cup qualifiers, before that in a tri-series, and just recently we went to Hong Kong, played. So they are tough. They have some very good players. Also, as I said, this format is unforgiving because 1 over, a couple of balls can change the complexion of the game. So we are preparing well. We believe in ourselves, and as I said, every game is tough. Every game is a challenge. Hong Kong definitely one of the top teams in the tournament, and we look forward to the challenge.